Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Honda CR-V EXL. This one's silver. Underneath the hood is a 4-cylinder 2.4 pushing out 185 horsepower. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, sunroof. CR-V. All-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Climate controls, heated seats. This CR-V has 31,362 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda CR-V, check out feldmanimports.com.